Good morning, friends. My name is Samuel Okoye. I want to analyze two pages on promise. Somebody requested for BNB analysis, and I promised him that I will do it today. Another person requested for EURCAD, and I also promised to do it. So let me start with EURCAD. EURCAD, that's something I always say, and I want to say it again. People like to see A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, S, Y, Z, and so on. But the truth remains, not all charts make sense when you label them. So those that doesn't make sense, I don't bother forcing myself to label what does not make sense. For instance, if I label this A, B, C, what does that mean? ABC is corrective measure, and this move here is not up to 5 waves impulse. So you see, no need labeling it, and there is a waste of time labeling something that not correspond with Elliott wave theory. So that's why sometimes you see my charts, I don't label them. Just consume your time for nothing's sake. Now this is monthly chart of EURCAD. For this monthly chart, the pair is going down. I mean, the trend is down. As long as this low remains unbroken, we are on downtrend. So whatever is happening here is a correction. So, but no, this is a monthly trend. So you don't trade with monthly because it's very it runs for years, decades. Now let's go to weekly. In weekly chart, we have a trend line going up. It broke, go back, and broke once more. So that's the only thing I can tell you. The channel going up has been broken. We need to go back before it takes this low. I don't know yet. Okay, this is weekly, and we only look at for weekly to know where the market is going for a long time. Because, for instance, this is 2015. You see, since 2015. So let me go deeper. From 2012, August 2012, the market has been going up, and in 2018, that's after 6 years, it's beginning to go down gradually. It's beginning to go down gradually after 6 years. In 2020, it makes a sharp move up. Yet, after that is after 80 years, it made a sharp move going up, but it's going down once more. So, as I said, weekly doesn't bother going to it every time. Let's go to daily. In daily, we can see this is an impulse, but I can't label this. I can't label it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it will be fixing it blindly. I just leave it because it's only but one. This is just one wave. This is from here to here is one wave, and impulse wave is supposed to be 5 to be complete, but this is just one wave, or maybe 3 waves. You can say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now, the important thing is that after this impulse, we are still correcting. So as long as this low remains, we are going up. We are going up. With this, we are going up. So we expect that this type of thing will happen again. What happened here will likely happen again. So, but you can see this is WXY. In my expectation, we are looking for another X and then Z. So this correction, I'm looking for it to be in 5 swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is WSYXZ. So what I'm looking for is, let me remove this. What I'm looking for is the wave that, I'm going to remove this. Okay, this very move is sharp, and when you get a sharp move, you will hope for it to continue, or sometimes it doesn't continue. For instance, this move is sharp. This move is sharp, but it didn't continue. This move is sharp, but it didn't continue. So that I say that when you get a sharp move, that we hope for it to continue. It's not a must. But one thing I want to teach you, I'll teach you some. There's some will remain for my students. If you want to learn all, you join the students class. This is a reversal point. This is a reversal point. This is a reversal point. You see, it failed to reverse here, and it didn't reach this place. It came up to this place again. We need to continue to go up. I am of the opinion that we continue to go up, at least to give us X leg before the Z leg. The Z might terminate in this line before we get something like this. A sharp move up. Oh, sorry. The Z might come down here before we get something like this. We get this something like this. So this is daily chart. I'm looking for it to continue going up. Now let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, you see a very protected down move. The down move took a lot of time, going down, and the channel has been broken. You can see after that it was going up higher. So you can see with this, the hope for the market to continue going up is here. So let's go to 2 hours. In 2 hours, we can now label this chart because it can be labeled by now. But let me go to 1 hour because 1 hour and 2 hours sometimes they are the same. I mean same view. Okay, now I can say that that this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are looking for 5. Now, one thing. Okay, let me finish the level before I tell you what I want to tell you. Then this is 0, A, B, C. 0, A, B, C. Now let me give you one lesson for free of charge. Wave 2 to wave 3. The standard place for reversal. I mean the standard target for wave 4 is 38.2 Fibo and 50.0.5 Fibo. You can see the market go below 38.2 Fibo. Will it come to, and it's nearly 50, will it go below 50.0, 50% Fibo? It's possible. Even if it comes to that to this place, even if it comes to 12.8, it's still valid as long as it didn't go below, come into this zone. It's still valid. But standard reversal place is between here and here. So we expect the market to turn back and keep going up. Now this is the one I can teach you. Then there's something you will see between this place. Then you will buy. But the safest place to buy is above this place. Here is the safest place to buy above this place. But we can get a buy setup within this very place. So that one, if you want to learn more, you join the Telegram channel and pay for course fee. My charges is very low. I don't charge much, but people don't like to pay. They like to everything to be cheap, to be free. Yeah, free things are sweet. Even myself, I like free things, but everything cannot be given free. I paid a lot to learn this, so it's right that I charge people to teach them. So now let me go to BNB. I'll post the video in the channel. The person that requested for BNB we see is the person that, and then the guy from Rwanda who requested for this EURCAD we also see it. So let me go to BNB without wasting time. Okay, this is BNB. Let me go to daily because going to what did not make any sense at all. Okay, this is BNB USD. Binance coin Theta US, that is US dollar. USDT and USDT and USD is the same value. So you can see let me change this count. Okay, this can be with 1. Anyway, in fact, let me not count it because it doesn't make sense to count. Let me go to 4 hours. Counting this doesn't make any sense. Counting this doesn't make any sense. Unless, let's go to 4 hours to see what we have there. Okay. Here can be said, I don't want to call this thing with 1 and 2, 3. No, let me say this is with 1. Let me say this is with 1. This is with 2. Or ABC. Let me say this is with 2. Then wave 3 might still be developing. Beware, wave 3 might still be developing. So don't think wave 3 have completed. It might still be developing. Okay, let's leave it like this for now. Let's say this is wave 1. This is wave 2. This is wave 2. And wave 3 is developing. Now, the only thing I can tell you, I've forgotten your name. The person who voted for BNB is that BNB going up strongly. But it is not right to buy it now. It is not right. It's not advisable to buy it now. Because why? Let me tell you something. The move can stop here and do what? Do something like this. It can do something like this. A, B, C. It can do something like this. A, B, C. Or it can even come deeper to this place. It's possible. That's why I tell you, not good time to buy. And being a newbie, after saying this, the Web3 can still be moving and go to this place. You say, I would have bought. If I bought here, I would have make this profit. Now, ask the other question. If it goes down, will you be happy? The answer is no. So I encourage those who are following me to buy when it is safe to buy. You can always make profit in the market anytime, but don't be in a hurry to make the profit. For instance, the time to buy BNB is when this is happening. This is when you would have bought, or when this happened. Okay, now see what I showed you. 1, 2, 3. You see, 1, 2, 3. So when this happened is when you would have bought, or when this happened, not now. You can buy it go up, you can buy it go down. So if you follow my advice, wait for it to go down. Even if it doesn't go down, if it keeps going, leave it until it show you a reversal, a correction. That's when you will buy. Sure, it's still going up, but to buy it now doesn't make sense to me. That's my advice. So, and I think I don't have anything to show you in 2 hours and 1 hour. Only except for you to see it, just same thing. We can get a pullback from here, or it may push more. It may push one more up before going down. It may push up again. Maybe it may do something like this. It may just move a little move, and go up again. It's possible. Then going deep is also possible. Because you didn't enter on time. No need to, after others have made their profit, you come and take a loss and go. It doesn't make sense now. Those who entered early have made profit, and you jump in and take a loss. So it doesn't make sense to me. So in my opinion, the best place to buy is at least between here and here. This place seems so large, but there's something you will see here. So something that you will see here, you buy. There's something you will see inside this place, then it's time to buy. Anyway, I think it won't go that deep. I think the deepest will be between here and here. So it can still going up, it can still come here before. If I want to buy BNB, I want to buy it here. If I don't see this very deep down, I want to buy. I will look for another asset to buy, or wait when it will do something right. Okay, that's all. Happy Sunday. Trade with care. Join our Telegram channel. In my description of the video, you will always find details. Okay, let me show you. Let me quickly open YouTube and show you something. Let me show you what you will always see in my video. in all my videos, you will always see this. After watching the video, just come to this place. You can see show more. Click show more. Analysis. So for the coming week. My name is Samuel Okoye from West Africa, from Biafra, West Africa. So when you come to this time now, you can see this is my video. This is my video. Now all the tests you need is to come to this place. You can see this is my Telegram channel. If you click here, you go to Telegram. If you click here, you go to WhatsApp. If you click here, my training course, you go to Telegram. The two Telegram channels are here. The secret of this video, so this is my mobile number. With this, you can reach me. So always come to this place to join my Telegram channel. When you come to the Telegram channel, you inbox me. If you want to join students, you also inbox me. So that's all. I'm ending the video. I will be faster. I'm ending the video right here. Trade well.